Today, we're going to show you how to do celebration board.
Okay, so today we're going to show you how to do a celebration board. Now, what I mean by celebration board is, let's say you've had a really special birthday, or you've had somebody had a baby shower, or in this case, graduation party, and you want to remember the day, the party. And there's a lot of significant things about that day that took place that you want to remember. And so they gave you gifts, and so you want to remember the gift that was given to you, or they had a cake for you, and so you want to remember the cake, and so things that were on the cake will go on the board, or things like that. Maybe you were given a really special card from somebody and you want to remember that. Or in this case, somebody made a really pretty banner for you, and so you're going to put the banner across it or something like that. So this is just to give you an idea of something that you can do from your celebration on a board so that you can put it up on the wall and remember your day. So that's what we're going to do. Now, we're doing graduation, so I need to let's see, I think what they do with this is they take this off and then they stick it to the, yeah, that's what they do. So they don't take, now, let's see, I'm going to put the congrats grad at the top. So this will be something that'll hang off to the side. So this is kind of the way you want to do it. You want to figure out how you want it on your board. So now that I've got that, I'm going to do this, but I'm not going to do that first. I'm going to put the congrats grad at the top because I want to make sure I have room and that I don't end up covering something else up. Now, again, this is just to give you ideas. Obviously, if you're going to be doing a celebration board, the celebration's already taken place, and you've gathered the items from the party, and now you're going to remember the party that was given to you by putting it on the board. So that's what we're talking about. And because I only have one. Okay, so we're going to, let's see, let me think. Yeah, okay, so I want to put this, I'm trying to make sure that it's centered, but the problem with centering is I have to, I'm going to have to cut these letters off to know that I'm centering it right. But now again, if I'm just showing you how to do it, the celebration would have already taken place, so they would already have the thing made up. So I'm going to need both of these. Well, I'm going to need both of them anyway, so do that. Okay. Congrats. Okay, I'll need an A. Sorry, this is taking a little bit long. You may want to pause that. Okay, so I got them cut out, and I've kind of put them in a little bit of a, so I could get them, centered. So all I got to do for my board is to cut it out and put it on there. Again, if you are making the board from a previous celebration, then oops, don't do that. Then the banner is already going to be made, and then you're just putting the banner up. See, so I'm kind of like making it from just to give you ideas for something that you might do after a celebration. So, and you know, if somebody's doing it after a celebration, they may have the whole word congratulations, you know, or something like that, or you know, they may have the person's name, you know, in the whole thing. You know, there's just all kinds of possibilities and ideas. And this is just to give you ideas is all it is for something you could do. And this is, like I said, for after a celebration. And then oh, twisted on me. Okay. Alrighty, so that part of the board is complete. Now, the other thing that you might have during a party is like confetti. Okay, so we have, I don't want to open this whole thing, I just want to get a little slit here so I can get some out. So let's say you have like a cake, and you know, sometimes they'll put confetti on the tables or whatever as they decorate the tables. So you want to put some confetti on your board. And of course, they may have other things that have to do, like in this instance, since it's school, and being that it's a graduation board, there's going to be pictures obviously going to be taken at, that didn't want to cooperate with me, going to be taken at the party. And so maybe you'll put some pictures of the people that were there and different things of that nature, and like a picture of the cake and stuff like that. So there's just going to be all kinds of possibilities. But again, this is just to kind of show you. So I'm just going to put some of these on the celebration board. Well, I guess it's got to get off my finger though. Okay, it's trying to stick to me. And we don't want it sticking to me, we want it sticking to the board. Not to my finger. And so you just, you know, find some places to put the confetti from the tables. So in other words, if you want to remember the event, then you pick up stuff off the table and say, well, I'm going to make a celebration board so that I can remember today. I don't think I put enough there. And, you know, then you can do your own remembrance of the day that people celebrated you graduating from college or high school, or, you know, whatever it is. I've done a celebration board for a baby shower. I've done celebration board for my own party, which is what you'll see in the thumbnail. That's actually a celebration board that I did from my own 50th party. And so, you know, this is just, whoops, get off my finger. Sticking on me. It's not supposed to stick on me. So, anyway, so I think I got that one. So, all right, we can, that's good right there. And then you can put those anywhere you want. You know, it's This is your board and your remembrance and what you're going to do. So you can literally put it anywhere that you want it on. And so say somebody really special gave you a card and you don't want to forget that card that was given to you on your day. So you and they like wrote you something really pretty in there and you're like, wow, that was so nice and I don't want to forget that. And then let's say they maybe they had some confetti that looked like this, and this is just again, it's just your idea and whatever you want. You know, it's a graduation, so we thought we'd get some little school buses and stuff, you know. Those little things. Little bag, books, you know, you're out of school now, yay. Little ruler. Paper, can't forget the paper, gotta have paper. Scissors, scissors somewhere. Let's do scissors. Okay. All right, now we have candles from the cake. We want to put candles from the cake somewhere. Let's put those. We gotta tape those down because I don't think the glue will work very good on those. So we have to do like just tape those down. And let's see, get that over here closer because I'm gonna put those a little bit closer. Okay.
This is again an idea of what y'all like to do. If you like to do it this way, you do it this way. But because as you use your own ideas like that, it's pretty cool. This is a really good idea of doing it, but you can do it your own way, do new things. It would be cool, really awesome.
All right, so those should stay put. All right, and just put a few more of these little things on. A little star, paintbrush. Whoops, get off my finger. It'll stick to me. What is this? Oh, that's an eraser. Yeah, gotta have the eraser, of course. Another little ruler. Another school bus over here. Some books.
You can also get pictures, right, Mom?
Yes, and you can put pictures, you know. I'm just putting these little things. I just thought these were really cute to put on the board. And you know, little crayons and whoops, stuck to me again. Boy, that's really sticking to me there. Okay, so like I said, any way you want to. I think I'll put a few crayons inside there if I can get them off my finger. They really like to stick to me. So let me hold it up here and show you. So that's a sample celebration board. You want to remember a party. You know, you get the items from the party and put it on a board. As you can see, or you will be able to see, well, you saw when Henry was standing by the board I did, it was 2 of these because it was a really big party, my 50th. But again, this is just an example, something to think about, something to look at, and something crafty that you can do to remember a party by. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and leave comments below.